pineapple flavor ocean water. This is gonna be our first video on YouTube, and I wanted to make this video as informative as possible, and I wanted to try to tell you how you can get into science based lifting. इसके आगे के जितने भी सारे videos होंगे, a lot of them are gonna have these kind of educational talks, these kind of talks where I am gonna be talking straight to you and telling you exactly how you can get into science based lifting. Now, what does it mean being optimal? See, being optimal is very specific to the current condition which you're in. Okay? Something which is optimal for me might not be optimal for you. Something which is optimal for you which might not be optimal for me. So ऐसा, it's not like कि you have to do every single thing. This is the written rule of book. There is a big variancy in how you can go about programming, how you can go about training, and one of the, if not biggest factor of what determines being optimal is adherence. Adherence एक ऐसी चीज़ होती है, no matter what kind of plan which you choose. If I were to sit down and give you a training plan, let's say I sat down and gave you a very good training plan of this is how you're going to be training for the next given 4 years, 5 years, and we plan out that it's going to be very optimal, right? On textbook, on theory, it's optimal, right? But at the end of the day, अगर वो plan consistently follow नहीं हुआ, if that given plan was not really followed consistently, you are not gonna see results from it. The plan now has become not optimal, right? अभी adherence level सबका अलग अलग होगा. Everyone is gonna have a different level of adherence, right? And it's totally fine. Not everyone wants to train full body. Not everyone wants to train upper lower. Some people enjoy just going through a push day. Some people enjoy going through an upper session. Some people like me, I don't really give a shit that much, and I train full body. So everyone is gonna have different level of adherence, and that kind of adherence is largely dependent upon how much experienced you are. Someone who is pretty new to lifting is going to have an adherence level which is not similar to someone who's been experienced to lifting. So when we are choosing some kind of exercise routine, some kind of training split or some kind of training exercise approach, our main goal is to adhere to it. I can really just give you have to do recline curls at 60-degree incline and वहाँ पे तुम्हें लेट के curl करना है. But if you're not doing that almost on like a daily basis, you're not really gonna experience any much more benefits from it, right? So main thing is adherence. Now, adherence is something which you have to look into yourself. कि भाई मैं कितना देर तक adhere कर सकता हूँ? Can I adhere an reasonable approach of a full body session? Can I adhere to a full body routine? Can I adhere to meal planning? Can I adhere to meal prepping? A lot of these different factors are going to be looked into, right? ये सारी चीज़ों पे तुम्हें ध्यान देना पड़ता है. So it tells us, all of this kind of tells us one specific thing, right? It tells us कि being optimal is gonna be very specific to you. और ये हम आगे वाले chapters पे will be talking about what is it that we have to look into, what is it that we have to see, right? So yeah, that is what adherence is, and that's what I want you to look into. Adherence एक ऐसी चीज़ है which is gonna make or break any kind of training plan. If I'll give you one example, if I have someone who's been lifting for about 4 years, two people who've been lifting for 4 years, दोनों को मैंने एक ही प्लान चिपकाया है, दोनों ऑन पेपर फुल ऑप्टिमल है. अगर दोनों बंदे में से एक बंदा वो प्लान फॉलो नहीं कर पा रहा है, the person who obviously who has an optimal plan is following it through is gonna be seeing more results. But guess what? अगर हमने एक और बंदे को रखा वहाँ पे and that guy is doing a full body, that guy is not doing an optimal training routine, वो कुछ भी कर रहा है but he's consistent with whatever he's doing over there, he's still gonna see better results from someone who's not consistent and wants an optimal plan on paper. Before it is very crucial that before you get into any kind of this shit, before you go ahead and watch any of my other videos, main thing is gonna be adherence. इतना simple लगता है सुनने में, lot of people struggle from this shit, right? सुनने में it's very simple, but most of people are gonna be struggling from this base foundations. Most people want to jump from one place to another. They don't want to work and build a base foundation of adherence. They want to jump from one thing to another. That's not what we want here. हम यहाँ पे एक base build करने आए, right? A base which we can add in our science based lifting stuff, right? अगर तुम वो set नहीं कर पा रहे हो, it's not really your time to choose a science based lifting approach. Because again, ये सारे जो भी data निकालता हूँ मैं, डेटा जो मैं इंस्टाग्राम में पोस्ट करता हूँ, ये सारे डेटा क्यों डालता हूँ? ये डेटा एक रिपीटेड अप्रोच देता है हमें कि इट हैज़ रिप्रोडक्टिविटी, कि वी कैन रेप्लिकेट इट. दिस काइंड ऑफ डेटा कैन बी रेप्लिकेटेड. रेप्लिकेबल का मतलब क्या होता है? इट मीन्स दैट इफ वी प्रोवाइड समवन इन द सेम काइंड ऑफ कंडीशंस, वी विल सी द सेम काइंड ऑफ आउटकम. अगर तुम वो सेम कंडीशन नहीं प्रोवाइड कर रहे हो from the given data set which I provide you, are you gonna see the same outcome? No, you're not. So that is the first thing which I wanted to talk about, adherence. Anyways, I'm gonna take this ocean water and go for my full body routine. So hope that I'll follow for more. I don't know, Instagram में follow नहीं होता, YouTube में follow नहीं होता, it's on subscribe for more.